What's up, you guys? In today's video, you'll be watching my wig maker take JHA's Raw Indian Straight hair and transforming it into a beautiful red wig. Now, you guys are always asking if JHA has wigs. We do not have wigs for sale. However, this is the person that makes all of my units. If you need a wig made, check her out. Her Instagram is at the TTouchLux, and I will have all of her information down below. I will also include a link down below to her custom wig inquiry form. When filling out that form, let her know that JHA sent you and give her the discount code JHA to save some money off of your custom wig or extension service. Now, she is in the DMV area. However, if you are not in the DMV area, you can still get a wig made, okay? She does service people all throughout the United States. And if you are in the DC, Virginia, Maryland area and you would like a sew-in as opposed to a wig, she can definitely give you one of those as well. Again, just give her the discount code JHA or let her know JHA sent you, and you will receive a discount so that you can save some money off of your custom wig order or extension service.
So you make the girls go crazy. So you make the girls go crazy.
Now, for those of you that would like a detailed tutorial, or for those of you that want to learn how to make wigs in your own home, she is teaching tips and tricks that you cannot find on YouTube, okay? I have included a link down below to her educational courses, and you guys can sign up there and begin learning how to make wigs as beautiful as the one that she has created for me here. Again, check out the link down below in the description box, okay? She's teaching how to remove dye from lace when you accidentally get color on the lace. She's teaching how to pluck custom hairlines. She's teaching how to create a nice and flat unit. She's teaching how to style. I mean, she's teaching everything. And again, this is knowledge that you cannot find on YouTube. So be sure to check out that link down below in the description box.
So you make the girls go crazy. So you make the girls go crazy.
So sometimes we make mistakes, or like me, you get lazy and you don't protect the lace good enough when you're coloring. I'm going to show you guys how I remove this color. So I've already boiled some water. Now I'm going to take some ACV and pour it in the pot. So I'm just eyeballing it. And we're going to dip the lace into the pot now.
So you make the girls go crazy. So you make the girls go crazy. So you make the girls go crazy. Swave 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 make the girls go crazy.